Today we will learn to write multiplication table of 2. Table of 2. 2. Zeros are 0, 2. Ones are 2, 2. Twos are 4, 2. Threes are 6, 2. Fours are 8, 2. Fives are 10, 2. Sixes are 12, 2. Sevens are 14, 2. Eights are 16, 2. Nines are 18, 2. Tens are 20. Table of 2. 2. Zeros are 0, 2. Ones are 2, 2. Twos are 4, 2. Threes are 6, 2. Fours are 8, 2. Fives are 10, 2. Sixes are 12, 2. Sevens are 14, 2. Eights are 16, 2. Nines are 18, 2. Tens are 20.